Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to study about what is overfitting and what is underfitting. So before moving towards our topic, you should have the basic knowledge of what is bias and variance. So if you have not gone through the videos, I have linked it in the description box, and after watching those videos, start with the overfitting and underfitting topic. So let's begin with what is overfitting. So overfitting occurs when our machine learning model tries to cover all the data points or more than the required data points present in the data set. So because of this, the model starts learning from the noise and inaccurate data, which significantly reduces the accuracy and efficiency of the model. So the data set consists of noisy data or the data that is incomplete or have the null values. So the model starts learning from such noisy data as it tries to cover all the data points from the data set, so due to which its accuracy and its efficiency also decreases, or it gets affected due by learning from the noisy data. The model does not categorize the data correctly because of too many details and noise, as I have told. So as the model tries to cover all the data points, and since it learns from the noisy data, so it cannot categorize the data well, because there is too much amount of data it is learning from, and it is unable to categorize it well. So overfitting model has low bias and high variance. So as we have seen in variance, the model tries to perform well with the training data set, but it does not perform well with the unseen or the test data set. So due to which the model has high variance, which faces the problems of overfitting. These the models that have high variance are very complex in nature, and there are large number of features, or we can say the input data points or data which is used for training the model. So the chances of occurrence of overfitting increases as much we provide training to our model. So the model that is overfitted has high variance, and when the model has high variance, it performs very well with the training data, as we have seen. So it means that more we train our model, the more are the chances of occurring the overfitting in the model. So the concept of overfitting can be understood by the below diagram. In this graph, as you can see, the model tries to cover all the data points in the scatter plot. So it may look efficient, but it is not in the reality. As you can see, the model tries to cover all the data points, or we can say more than the required data points, due to which it faces the problems like overfitting. So what are the techniques to reduce the overfitting? First, increase the training data. Reduce the model complexity. As we have seen, the model with high variance is very complex in nature. So we need to reduce the complexity of the model in order to reduce the overfitting. Early stopping of the training. As we have seen in the previous slide, that as much training we provide to our model, it faces the problem of overfitting. So if we stop the training process in early, there are chances, or we can say it will reduce the overfitting problem. Cross validation, regularization. So regularization is a technique that is mainly used to avoid the chances or avoid the problems of overfitting. Ensembling. So what are the reasons for overfitting? So high variance and low bias, the model is too complex, size of the training data. So this was all about overfitting. So we will see underfitting in the next video. So if you want the notes related to this topic, the link is in the description box. Thank you.